Hey, what's going on everybody? The tutorial for this week is going to be super easy. It is a really fun song. It's one of the first songs I learned on ukulele, and it is the Adventure Time theme song, the intro theme song, whatever you want to call it. But before we do that, I wanted to show this little beanie that I made. I'm going to have these in my Etsy shop. This is my first, I guess, line of merch, so it's pretty cool. It's just the JWilly cloud, and yeah, it's on a beanie. I have this like skull cap one that I like to roll up and wear with my ears, or I have like a normal beanie where you can, pull it down over your ears and whatever. So I'll have both those in the shop. But yeah, let's go learn how to play the Adventure Time theme song. Okay, so this theme song is super easy. There's only 3 chords in it, and they're basic beginner chords. It's C, F, and G, but we're gonna zoom up and see what the chords look like, and I'm gonna put the charts here like I always do. So yeah, and then it has 2 different strumming patterns, but they're both pretty simple starter ones. So let's get to the chords. So for the Adventure Time theme song, there's only 3 chords used, but it goes in this pattern: C, G, F, G. So you would play G twice, but it's after each one. So the first chord in the song would be the C, which is your ring finger, or whatever finger you want, on this bottom string 3rd fret. And it sounds like this. The second chord is a G, so you would put your middle finger, bottom string 2nd fret, your pointer finger, 2nd string 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret. Then the third chord is an F, so you put your middle finger on the top string 2nd fret, and then your pointer finger on the 3rd string 1st fret. And if you play in the pattern that I told you, it sounds like this: C, G, F, G. So now let's get to the strumming patterns. All right, the strumming patterns in this song are pretty easy. The first one is just a basic down strum. So the intro will go like this. And then after you play that, the next strumming pattern is the down, down, up, up, down, up. So if you haven't done that before and you need to practice that, just do it slow until you get the rhythm right. It's down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. So after that intro, it'll be the same thing, the same chords, but instead of just going down once, you do the down, down, up, down, up on each. So starting with the C, it'll be down, down, up, down, up, G, down, down, up, down, up, F, down, down, up, down, up, G, and then you would end on the C with just one down strum. So all together, it'll sound like this. Now let's go ahead and just try to sing that. Adventure time, come on, grab your friends. We'll go to very distant lands. Jake the dog and Finn the human. The fun will never end. It's adventure time. That is a pretty easy, fun beginner song. So hopefully that helps you guys learn how to play it. Thank you guys who requested a tutorial for that, because this one's really fun and easy to play, and it's a good beginner song. So yeah. Thanks for the request, and I hope that this helps you learn how to play Adventure Time theme song on ukulele. Don't forget about the merch if you guys want to go get a JWillyGuy cloud beanie, and make sure you go follow me on Instagram and TikTok to help support my social medias. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. A creature with 2 heads, sleeping in 2 beds. Is it sweet